Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gagandeep, currently pursuing cybersecurity in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's subject is Principles of Programming and subject code is BPOPS203 and today's topic is Introduction to C Programming. So let's begin. Introduction to C Programming with basic examples. First, Introduction to C. C programming language is one of the oldest and most influential programming languages in computer science. It is developed in early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. C has since become the foundation for many other programming languages and operating systems. Features of C. First one, procedural language. C is a procedural programming language, meaning it follows step-by-step approach to execute a program. Second one, structured language. It supports structured programming, allowing programmers to break down the code into smaller, manageable modules. Third one, probability. C programs can be easily ported across different platforms with minimal modifications, making it highly portable. Fourth one, efficiency. C is known for its efficiency in terms of memory usage and execution speed, making it suitable for system level programming. Fifth one, powerful libraries. C provides a rich set of standard libraries that offer functionalities for various tasks such as input-output operations, string manipulation, and mathematical computation. Basic syntax. A simple hello world program in C looks like this. You can see in the picture, and in that the first line hashtag include in between the greater than angle and lesser than angle stdio.h. This is the preprocessive line. This line includes the standard input output library, allowing us to use functions like printf and scanf. Next line, int main. This is the main function from where the program starts to execute. Every C program must have a main function which serves as the entry point of a program. Next, printf in bracket hello world /n and semicolon. This line prints the string hello world to console. Return 0 semicolon. This main function returns an integer value to the operating system, typically 0 to indicate successful execution. Data types. C supports various data types including integer types that are int, short, long, etc. Floating point types, float, double, and etc. Character type, that is char. Derived types that are arrays, pointers, structures, unions. Keyword in C. There are 32 keywords in C. Keywords in C programming language are reserved words that have predefined meanings and can't be used as identifiers, such as variables names or function names. Here are the keywords in C. You can see in the chart. Control flow. C supports control flow statements such as if, else, for, switch, and do while for decision making and loop constructs. You can see in the flow chart here. Control statements. It is divided into 3: conditional statements, iteration statements, and jump statements. And these are divided again in functions. Functions in C allow you to modularize your code. You can define functions to perform specific tasks and call them from other parts of the program. In functions, there are two types. One is predefined function and user defined. Files in C. In C programming, when you are working with multiple source files, you typically deal with source files, header files, and object files and executable files. First one, source file. Source files contain the actual C code that you write. These files have the extension C. Source files are compiled by the C compiler to create object files. Next one, header files, which is represented by .h. Header files contain declarations of functions, variables, and constants that are used across multiple source files. They typically have the extension .h. Header files are included in source files using #include preprocessor derivatives. Header files provide the necessary information to compiler about functions and structures defined elsewhere. Third one, object file. Object files are generated by compiling the corresponding source files. They contain machine code in a format specific to the target architecture, but it's not yet in the final executable format. Object files have the extension .o on Unix-like systems, Linux, Mac OS, and .obj on Windows. Object files are created for each source file independently. Fourth one, executable file. The executable file is the final output of the compilation process. It's generated by linking together one or more object files along with any necessary system libraries. Executable files can be run directly by operating system. They typically do not have any extension on Unix-like systems, while on Windows they often have the .exe extension. Conclusion. This is just a brief introduction to C programming. As you dwell deeper, you will discover more advanced topics such as pointers, arrays, structures, dynamic memory allocation, file handling, and more. C program provides a solid foundation for understanding computer architecture and programming concepts. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe.